Oo nga! Ang galing mo. I think we have a winner. Galing. Project niya, magpapatubo siya ng buhok.
Oh. Okay, so meron ako ditong envelope, a prediction. Magiging important to for later. Pahawak po muna, Miss Madge. I'm gonna ask you a couple of decisions and tingnan natin kung ano magiging laman yan, okay?
Okay.
Now, while you make your decision, since I'm representing Team Chad, isipin mo lang si Chad habang ginagawa yung mga
Okay.
decision na yan. Okay,
Hirap,
first
ah.
decision.
Batman.
Interesting choice, Batman. Now, I'm going to ask you to think of a time. Ano?
8:40.
8:40!
Oh.
Interesting choices. Asan yung binigay ko sa yung envelope?
Sa sulisit.
Ladies and gentlemen, meron nakalagay dito,
Ay.
Ay,
Batman.
Oo nga.
Naka-lipstick sa
pero may lipstick eh.
Oo.
Bat-chat.
Ano yung time na nasa isip mo?
8:40. Ay, wow.
Oh. Ladies and gentlemen,
Chat.
Oo nga!
Chat.
this one is for you.
Ang galing mo. I think we have a winner.
Ang
Galing.
galing. Thank you so much, Justin.